Hey everyone, are you tired of seeing too many ads on Facebook? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to block ads on Facebook using the app. Open Facebook app on your phone. Then look at the top right of the screen and click. On the menu option, scroll down through and select Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. Look for Account Center and tap on it. Inside this, you will find an option. Add Preferences. Tap on this to continue under Customize Ads Find and. Tap Advertisers you saw ads from you. Now see a list of all the advertisers whose ads have been displayed to you. Recently tap on any advertiser's name. From the list that you wish to stop seeing ads from after selecting an. Tap Hide Ads to stop seeing. Inform you that it takes 24 hours and that's it. You've successfully blocked ads from specific advertisers.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.